Hello everyone, this is LG Home Cinema Soundbar US40T. I want to show you how to connect this gear with your laptop. Switch the soundbar on and select Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connection ready.
Bluetooth connection ready. The next thing to do is to connect the soundbar with your laptop. You need to go to your laptop settings. So go to the Windows Start, then go to the settings. Then select Bluetooth and devices. Select Bluetooth and devices. Then switch Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is on. Then add a device. Then select Bluetooth. So it's now searching for available Bluetooth device. LG US40TR is found. Audio. Select on it.
Paired.
Paired. Your device is ready to go. Then select done. So we're going to test the audio using Orbit Sound. Then select.
AI Sound Pro. AI Sound Pro.
I want to talk to you about the remote control. This soundbar is LG US40TR. It's a 4.1 channel soundbar. This is the remote control. You switch the soundbar on and off on this button. This button is Bluetooth pairing button. This button is mute. Plus and minus volume control buttons. Plus is for you to increase the volume. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is source or input. Select it, it goes to optical or HDMI ARC. Select it again, it goes to USB. This button, sound control, if you select it, you switch auto power on and off or night mode on. This button is tone control. If you select it, it goes to woofer. Then use up or down to increase the woofer or decrease the subwoofer. If you select tone control again, it goes to woofer. Then you select this button, left or right, it goes to bass, mid, and treble. Then use up or down to control it. Then these buttons, so this button is AI Sound Pro. This button is standard. This button is cinema. This button is game. And also you have up or down. And the center one is pause and play. When you use the remote control, you can control the soundbar and also you will hear voice prompt. If you connect the soundbar using LG Temu app, you can also control the system. It will show you that the woofer and the rear speakers are connected. Thank you very much indeed.